This lesson is on adding 4 two-digit numbers. When we're adding 4 two-digit numbers, it's important to look in the ones place first. I'm going to draw a line down the middle to show you the difference between the tens place and the ones place. So we're going to start with the one side. One of the fastest ways to add up several numbers is to start with your two biggest numbers and then keep counting on with the smaller numbers. So we know that 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 more is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So put our 10 here and our 2 ones here and add up the left side. This is the 10 side. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to jump up to this 5 because it's also a big number. Plus this 5 is 15. Plus 3 more is 18. Plus 1 more is 19. Our answer is 192. Let's look at another problem. 49 plus 11 plus 21 plus 44. Now I said one way was to add up the two biggest numbers first. Another way you can do it is to add up numbers quickly together that you know the answers to. For example, I know that 9 plus 1 is 10. Now I'm going to go down here because I know that 10 plus 4 is 14, plus this one more makes 15. So I'll put my 10 over here, and I'll put my 5 ones under the ones column. Now let's add up the tens column. Well, I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10, plus 1 more is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So our answer is 125. Let's look at another problem. 43 plus 71 plus 22 plus 52. I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. I know that 4 plus 1 is 5. And I know that 5 plus 3 is 8. So we're going to put our 8 under the ones column. Now move over to our tens column. Well, I know that 5 plus 2 is 7. And I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 4 more is 18. And our answer is 188. In this problem, we're adding 11 plus 66 plus 12 plus 41. I'm going to start with my two bigger numbers here. I know that 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Put my 1 10 over here, and my 0 ones here, and add up this side, the 10 side. Well, I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, plus 1 more is 12, plus 1 more is 13. So our answer is 130. In this problem, we're adding 64 plus 41 plus 37 plus 59. I'm going to start with my two bigger numbers. I know that 9 plus 7 is 16. Now I'm going to go up here and add 4 more, which makes 20. And add this 1 more, which makes 21. So our two tens go here, and our 1 stays under the ones place. Now let's add up the tens place. I know 6 plus 4 is 10. Now I'm going to add the 5, that makes 15, plus 3 more makes 18, plus 2 more makes 20. So our answer is 201. Let's look at one last problem. 47 plus 57 plus 91 plus 43. Start in the ones place. We know that 7 plus 7 is 14. Now I'm going to jump down to the 3 because it's the next biggest number. So 14, 15, 16, 17 plus 1 more is 18. Put my 10 here, my 8 ones here. Let's add up this side. I'm going to pick my two biggest numbers this time. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now I'm going to add 4 more, that makes 18. Plus 4 more again, that makes 22. Plus 1 more makes 23. So our answer to this problem is 238. That concludes our lesson today on adding 4 two-digit numbers.